Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Magical Math Mornings. We will continue the journey of learning quick multiplication. And yesterday, I think you were very happy to learn the tables, how to tell up to 100 in a very fast way. And hope you are all practicing that. If I say any number 25, 6, 150, like this, you should be able to tell very, very fast up to 100. The practicing, how much you do, that will make you to become the best in the multiplication. Now we go to the quick shortcuts. Next 3 to 4 sessions, we are going to learn some quick shortcuts for different numbers. The easiest one among them is multiplying any number with 5, 50, 500, 5,000, etc. For this, we have to learn to multiply first any number with 10, 100,000. Multiplication with 10, any number followed by zeros are very easy, correct? Suppose if you have 25 into 10, what do you say? It is just you put 10, 250, correct? Same thing, 25 into 100, there are two zeros after one. Therefore, what we do? We'll write the number and just we'll put two zeros. 25 into 1000, the same number, when you multiply it by 1 followed by three zeros, we'll write the number and we'll write three zeros. Correct? Multiplying with 10, 100, and 1000, all of you know. It is just taught in somewhere around third or fourth standard, correct? Multiplying with 10, 100,000, it involves only counting the zeros and adding those zeros in front of this number. Correct? This is the prerequisite for us to learn about any multiplying with 5, 50, 500. How does this work? Suppose I want to multiply 25 into, sorry, let's take 25 into 5. What I do? First I will do 25 into 10 by 2 I do, because 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. So first 25 into 10 I do in mind, that is 250. That divide by 2 I do. How do I do by division by 2? It is just a halving concept. Halving. Doubling concept we have learned for multiplying with 2, 4 and 8, correct? 250 doubled is 500. 500 doubled is 1000, like this. But here we are going to think everything in the concept of half of that one. What is half of 250? It's just 125. Maybe initially you may take the 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, but gradually with practice, halving of the numbers, if you keep on practicing, it will become very fast. Okay? Let's take few examples before we go for the practice session. Maybe we want to take 68 into 5. What I do, in my mind, I will take 680 by 2. Because 68 into 10 is 680 by 2. And what is half of 68? 34. So 340 is the answer. In mind, we should directly get 680 and then think about half of this. That is nothing but multiplying by 5. If you take 76 into 5, what I do? I will take 760 by 2. 76 half is 38. So it is nothing but 380. Is it very clear? Very, very easy also. Correct? Yes. Let's take some little bigger numbers. Suppose you want to multiply a 3-digit number. Let's take 495 into 5. So what we do? I'll take 4950. That is 495 into 10 by 2. Only for such numbers, you can take one, instead of 1 second, you may take 2 seconds. 2, 4, 7, 5. That's it. It is the answer, correct? See, how do you write the numbers? Half of 4 is 2. Half of 9, you remember the halving concept, what we have learned in the beginning. Just we'll write the number, forgetting about whatever is the remainder. Half of 9 is 8. Just I'll put a dot here, correct? If it is a big number, I'm telling. And whenever we put a dot, means it is coming as 5. We have to 15 we have to consider, correct? Half of 15 is 7, but with a dot on the next number, that is carryover of 1 is pending, so it is nothing but 5. Sorry, it is 42475, correct? Let's take little bigger number, any number that we can multiply. We can take for example 3749 into 5. Let's take, what we do in our mind, we'll take 37490 by 2. This I'm not going to write, we can keep everything in our mind itself, correct? Just keep on writing half. 1 8 7 4 5, correct? 18745. If I just write, it's going to take this much time. How do you do this? Do we need to write this number with followed by 0? No, it's not required. Directly you can start doing half of this. Directly you can start doing half of this. 1 8 7 4, and whatever is remaining, if at all there is a remainder, you write 5. If there is no remainder, just write 0. This is the direct step of writing without even writing to this, because I have explained this for you to understand the concept, correct? Yes. Let's take some big number. Any number, instead of multiplying by 5, what we do? We start dividing that one by 2. And last digit, what we do? If there is a carry over, we'll write 5. If there is no carry over, we'll write 0. Only the options is between 0 and 5. So let's take 8643 into 5. What I do? 4 3 2 1 5, correct? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, but there is a carry over, that's why I have written 5. Is it simple? Very, very simple, correct? Yes, very nice. Now let us extend the same thing. Instead of multiplying by 5, if I want to followed by 10, you can put, that's it, into 50, correct? 8643 into 50 is equal to 44,32,150, correct? Yes. Let's try this one with some smaller numbers. Suppose you want to do 297 into 500. Let's take, what we do, just directly go for dividing this one, assuming 10 in front, because multiplying by 5 means 0 at the dividing by 2, correct? Let's take this, and finally whatever you get at the end, you are going to add these two zeros. Oh, whiteboard got vanished, just a second. Let me share once again. Is it visible now? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Because I'm outstation, so I'm doing using Wi-Fi network available in that hotel. Please be with me in case there is any discrepancy. You can put it in the comments so that we'll rectify that. Now 297 into 500, what I'll do? I'll just do the half of this, assuming 10 here. What will come? 1 4, because there is a carry, 8 and 5. Afterwards, what we do? I'm going to add these two zeros. That's it. This is the answer. Now, shall we try multiplying with 5, 50, 500, 5000, whatever is there? These two zeros, yes, because this is an odd number, we are going to keep the remainder as 5. If there is a even number, it will come 0, because there is no remainder here. So directly we are going to put it as 0. But because there are two zeros, don't forget to write this 0. This 4 last digit, it. Only after writing only we are going to add the remaining zeros. These two zeros, we are going to add them at the end. Okay, let's try them. You will get it. In case you do the mistake, I will help you out. Let's start with some simple numbers. Be ready with for chat, putting the answer in the chat. Let's take 58 into 5. Wait, quickly, as fast as possible. Imagine 0 in front and do the half. Into 5. Uh, in a hurry, someone did mistake. Because see, there is no carryover. You need not add 5 there, correct? Yes, 290 is the right answer. All others, you're right. See, 2 twos are 4. 1 is carried only till here. 18 means 290. 2 nines are 18. There is nothing left out. So we are going to add only 0 here. Okay? Yes. Let's take 95 into 5. Let's take this. 95 into 5. Yes, already you are ready with the answer. Here you did mistake. The second one is correct. See, always think that 9 means what? Half of 9 is only 4. Just carry off this one. There may be 0. 7 and because there is a carryover left out, it's an odd number. You are going to put 5. That's it. Correct? 475 is the perfect answer. Let's take little bigger number. Let's take 678 into 5. Do this. Okay. Whenever we are multiplying this, what we consider, because someone had said that they have not understood, 678 into 10 we will consider, that is 0. Then divide by 2 we do. Divide by 2 means just writing the half of that one. Okay, this is fast we'll do. See here, what we are going to do here. If you write 2 3s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, there is one carry over. 2 9s are 18, nothing is left out, so 0 will come here. We will not get 3395. Correct, only one is correct. All others you are getting confused only in the last digit. See, last digit, let us understand this shortcut. If the last digit is even number, put 0. If it is odd like this, put 5. Is it easier way to remember this? That will be better. Okay, so what we do, just we are writing this 3 3 9. Because it's an even number, we are going to put 0. Odd number means let's put 5. That is the easiest way to remember this. Let's take little bigger number and try to multiply with. Okay, we'll take 4875 into 5. Try this. Just half of this and imagine a 0 at the end. Correct? Very good. One small mistake. It's not 85, it is 75. Yes, correct. 24375 is the perfect answer. See, we are just writing the half of this. 2 4 7 is an odd number, so 3 carried 15 means 7. Because odd number is there, I'm going to put 5 here. That's it. 2437 is the perfect answer. All of you have understood this trick, correct? Let's take this 397 into 50. Try this. 397 into 50. Don't worry about this 0. Just you do only 397 into 5. Finally, you add these many zeros, whatever required here. Multiply 397 into 5. And then add 1 0 at the end. You got it? Very good. See, 1 9 8 5 followed by 0. That 0 you have to add it, correct? You missed to add this 0, correct? No, 2 ones are 2, 19 means 2 nines are 18, 17 means 2 eights are 16, followed by, because it's an odd number, I will add 5 there. But we should not forget to add this 0 at the end, because initially someone typed only 1985 by mistake, correct? No, it's yes. Nothing to say sorry, because These all small mistakes happens initially when we practice them. But once we become practice and when we start applying these things in our day-to-day life, we will not do error. Initially, small errors will happen. It's common with everyone. Okay. Let's take 4,796 into 500. Little big number. Let's try this. Last digit, only consider even and odd and add 0. After adding that 0, then finally you add these two zeros. While telling the answer, ah, the last one is correct. The initial people, remaining three, you people forgot to add zeros at the end. Correct? See, 2, 3 you did correct, 9 you did correct, 8 you did correct. Because there is an even number, you forgot to add one zero here. Afterwards you have to add these two zeros. Correct? One person did very good. See, adding of zeros is what you have to be very careful. Consider only multiplying this at the beginning. And always remember, if it is a 3 digit number, you are going to get the answer in 4 digit. If it is a 4 digit number, you are going to get answer in 5 digit. That digits you should remember always. And then finally add these two zeros. Okay, one last one before we wind up. Let's take little bigger number. Maybe let me take all odd numbers. 3957 into 50. Equal to what? Do this. 3957 into 50. Yes, I'm hearing one comment from Arpita. Sir, I did not understand. Because you are not present in the first 2 3 minutes when I explained the concept of this. Please go through this video again. Okay? And I think you will easily understand. Again, we got it perfect now. Because it was an odd number at the end, you are not doing mistake. If there is an even number, sometimes you are confusing with zero. Correct? Everyone is correct. See, 197. I think it's not. Yeah, 8. Finally, we are adding 5 because the odd number, and then this 0 you people added here. Correct? Let's take one last number. Let's take 5796 into 50. Let's try this one, and then we'll wind up. 5796 into 50. While telling the answer, if you want to tell very fast, you tell only the digits like 197850 like that. We need not, because for us to think and count it in terms of 1,97,850, we have to write the entire answer. But for telling this answer, we need not wait to write all the answer. Correct? We should just tell them one digit at a time. That's it. 5796 into 50. Just you do, yes, you're right. 2 2898. 2898, last one. We will not get 5 here because it's an even number. No, we'll get only 0 here. And finally, we'll add this 0. 289800. That's it. So I think you people understood this. Little bit of a practice, because this is the most one of the easiest trick for multiplying with any number with 5, 50, and 500. What you do, you multiply with the 10, 100,000 like that and divide by 2. And if you like this thing and if you understood this very well, I recommend all of you to share this with your friends so that let them also learn. For us, for me also, the more people attend live, I'm seeing that hundreds of people are watching the video afterwards recording. The more people attend live, it will give more energy to us also and more competition to you also. Correct? So you ensure that you bring your friends and along with them you attend this. So enjoy this, and मैथ्स में मजा है. We'll continue with our maja tomorrow morning with one more new trick. Thank you. Bye bye.